Good morning, students. Today we start the next topic of the lesson number 3, matter, which is the states of matter. So, I hope in last period that I explained about the characters of matters and their intermolecular space, how matter is made up from atoms and molecules is all that points is clear, okay, in last period. So today we start a states of the matter. So matter exists in a three different states: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. So first states we studied is the solid states. A solid has a definite shape and definite volume. Solid has a definite shape and definite volume means any solid things has a definite shape. In our environment there is a number of the solids atom, okay, like the book, notebook, table, chairs. So that materials, that things has a definite shape and had a definite volume. So molecules in the solid states are packed very close to each others. It is important point. So molecule in the solid states are packed means their arrangements are close to each other. So intermolecular space is almost negligible. Intermolecular space, that terms I explained last period. Intermolecular space means the space between the two molecules. So intermolecular space in the solid state is a very negligible. Means negligible means बहुत कम. So because of that intermolecular force of attraction is also strong. Okay, intermolecular space is small, then intermolecular force of attraction between the molecule is very strong. इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन भी कैसा होगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. So this is about the solid states. That's what is the properties of solid states. See, first solids are rigids. Solids are rigids. Second, they have definite volume. Okay, उसको definite volume रहता है. Then third, they retain their shape. They retain their shape. They are incompressible. They are incompressible. वो easily compress नहीं होते. So these are the examples: wood, stone, iron, diamond, gold, etc. So you can write any example of solid states. So do you understood this point? See, next point, liquid states. Here the two activities are given, so you have to read it. These are shows the solid objects have a definite shape. Here some things are given like a spoon, rulers, okay, glass slab, pencil, pen. So you will find that there is no change in the shape and size of these objects at room temperature. If you keep it room temperature, then not one changes is occur in this on this object. Their shape sizes remain same. In other activity, take a cup of glass, okay, both fulfill with the water, and take a piece of stone and tie it with the threads and dip inside that water, okay, one by one, and measure the volume of water which flows out of the case. जो बाहर पानी गिरता है उसका वॉल्यूम काउंट करो. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ ओवरफ्लो वाटर इज द सेम इन ईच केस. बोथ केस में जो वाटर फ्लो होगा, ओके, वो कैसा होगा, सेम होगा. बिकॉज this shows that solid object have a definite volume. ओके, उसको डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम रहते. एक बाउल में लिया, वही सेम स्टोन बाउल में अगर डिप किया तो उतना ही पानी बाहर पे डालेगा, ओके, फ्लोज होगा. और अगर ग्लास में लिया अभी तो भी उतना ही सेम क्वांटिटीज का वाटर्स और फ्लो आउट करेगा. नेक्स्ट, लिक्विड स्टेट. Liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. See, liquid means any water. Okay, water. The number of the liquids are like a petrol, diesels is the example of liquids. So these liquids has a definite volume. इसको डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम्स रहता है बट नॉट अ डेफिनेट शेप. कभी देखा है आपने कि लिक्विड स्टेट को स्पेसिफिक शेप है? नो. सो बट दैट लिक्विड हैव अ नो डेफिनेट शेप. द मॉलिक्यूल इन द लिक्विड आर लेस क्लोजली पैक्ड दैन द सॉलिड्स. जो मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं लिक्विड में के वो कैसे रहते हैं? लेस क्लोजली पैक. उसका जो स्पेस रहते हैं ना बहुत दूर दूर अरेंजमेंट रहती है उसकी. ओके, द स्पेस इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस इज मोर दैन द सॉलिड्स. सो इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस इज ग्रेटर दैन सॉलिड्स. ओके, देन व्हाट हैपन? इफ इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस इज मोर, the molecule has weaker force of attraction. Okay, exactly opposite. अगर space is increased between the molecule, the force of attraction, okay, is also less. So therefore the liquid molecule have greater movement than the solids and hence liquid flow. If you throw the liquids on the floors, then it get flows in any directions. Okay, so what the properties of liquids? See, liquid have no definite shape. They take the shape of container. Means if you pour the liquid in a glass, they take the shape of glass. If you pour the liquids in a bowl, they take the shape of bowl. Okay, means they take the shape of any container. Second, they have a definite volume. They have a definite volume. The volumes are definite in the liquids. Examples: water, milk, fruit juice, kerosene, oils, petrols. Okay, these are the examples. So do you understood that point? Okay, see, जैसे कि मैंने अभी एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको बोला एक्सप्लेन करते टाइम, liquids take the shape of any container. If you pour in the glass, it take the shape of glass. If you pour in bowl, they take the shape of bowl. Okay, any containers if you take, then it take the shape of that bowl. Okay, means it change its shape but its volume remain constant. Its volumes remain constant. Okay, उसका volume constant रहता. Next, third type, gaseous state. A gas has a neither definite shape nor a definite volume. इसको definite shape भी नहीं रहता, definite volumes भी नहीं रहता है. Okay, so the molecule in a gas are far apart. The molecule in gas कैसे रहते हो? Far apart. उसके distance बहुत रहता है दो molecules में. Okay, so that's why the force of attraction between the molecule is weak. Okay, the force of attraction is weak. Properties of gas. Gases have no definite volume. Okay, gases have no definite volume. Second, they do not have any definite shape. They do not have any definite shape. उसको definite shapes नहीं रहता है. They can flow and move in any direction. Gas also can flow in any direction because the force of attraction between the molecule weak. Fourth, they can compress inside the small container. They can be compressed inside the small container and also spread into large area if available. Like air. Air is also gas. Okay, so air is spread into our areas. So see, next, gases. Gas exert the pressure. Gas exert the pressure. If you take the example of balloons, when you blow the balloons, okay, so what about that air take the place inside the balloon? Means gas exert the pressure inside that balloon. That's why that's balloon low. Okay, so for example, air, when the pump into football, take the shape of football. जब हम एयर भरते हैं फुटबॉल्स में, फिलअप करते हैं, पंप करते हैं, तो फुटबॉल का शेप रहता है. सिमिलरली फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ इंसेंस स्टिक, spread into a whole room because of the gas coming out of it. हम अगर इंसेंस स्टिक्स लगाते हैं तो उसका फ्रेगरेंस जो स्मेल पूरे रूम में स्प्रेड होता है बिकॉज ऑफ गैस, एंड दैट गैस हैज़ नो डेफिनेट शेप. दे कैन फ्लो इजीली फ्रॉम वन डायरेक्शन टू एनी directions. Examples: air, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxides, and sulfur dioxides. Okay, so today we see the properties of the solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, see on this page number 27, the chart of the properties of solid, liquid, and gas is given. See how's that. First point is discuss intermolecular space. So in solid the intermolecular space कैसी रहती है? Yeah, intermolecular space have a negligible. Okay, means molecules are closely packed. And in liquid the intermolecular space is more than the solid. Means molecules are not closely packed. And in gases the molecules are at a greater distance from one another, so they can free to move in all directions when intermolecular space is very far away. Okay, between the molecules is very weak. And then second point is discuss about the shape. Solid has fixed shape. Liquids have no fixed shape. It takes the shape of containers. And in gas have no fixed shape. Take the shape of container in which they are filled. Third, volume. Have a fixed volume means in the solids. Okay, have a fixed volume. Liquid have a fixed volume, and in gas have no fixed volume. Fourth, fluidity means it's related about the flow. So solids do not flow. Solids कैसे flow होते हैं क्या? No, it's do not flow. Liquid can flow from higher level to lower levels. Liquid can flow. Then gases flows in all directions. Gases flows in all directions. Okay. So here now turn the page. See next, effect of pressure. What the effects of pressure of on a solid, liquid, gas? See, effect of pressure is very low in the solids. Effect of pressure is very low. Solids में बहुत low pressure रहता है solids का. Then here is the higher as compared to solid in liquid states, and effect of pressure is very high in a gas state. Then 6, transparency. Transparency, okay, means we can able or unable to see through that things. Solids are generally opaque. Solids कैसे रहते हैं? Opaque substance, like a wood, stones. So can you, is it possible to see from wood? No. Okay, that's why at our homes the doors and windows. Okay, so solids are generally opaque. Then in liquid, most of the pure liquids are transparent in nature. Most of the liquids are transparent in nature. Means water, alcohol, petrols is the transparent in nature. All gases are transparent in nature. जो भी natures में gases present जो कैसे है? Transparent है. Then luster. Among is the solid, all the metals have luster. And in liquid, among is the liquid, mercury is lustrous, and gases are not lustrous. 8, solubility in water. Solubility means उसकी एबिलिटी कितने सोल्यूबल होने की वाटर्स में. देखो सॉलिड्स, अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सॉलिड्स आर इनसोल्यूबल इन वाटर. बहुत सारे ऐसे सॉलिड सब्सटेंस है जो इनसोल्यूबल है वाटर्स में. ओके, लाइक एग्जांपल वुड, मड. Some solids such as sugar, common salt are soluble in water, but some solids are insoluble in water. Next, liquid can be miscible as well as immiscible. ऐसे liquids रहते हैं जो miscible भी रहते हैं और immiscible. Miscible means जो mix up होते हैं waters में, and immiscible means they cannot be mixed up in water. Like example, alcohol and vinegars. Alcohol and vinegars are a soluble, that the miscible liquids, and while oils, petrol, what, these are the immiscible liquids. देखो आप डाल के देखो, ऑयल्स अगर पानी में हमने डाला वाटर्स में तो फ्लोट होता है ऊपर. ओके, दैट्स द इमिसिबल्स. देन some gases are insoluble in waters. Some gases are insoluble in water like nitrogen, hydrogen, and some gases are soluble in water like oxygens. देखो ऑक्सीजन्स, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, सोल्यूबल होते हुए वाटर में. ओके, so these are the all properties of the solid, liquid and gas. So in the next lecture we start the next point. Okay, so still that you have to read that chart properly.